Do you like moringa? Have you ever heard of it? Did you know there are 13 species of moringa in the world? Moringa oleifera is considered one of the foods of the future, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO. Native from northern India, moringa can grow in even the most arid soils. That makes the plant a useful resource for people who live in dry areas and are subjected to hunger. Moringa is considered a superfood since it has a high nutritional value and contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, 4 times more calcium than cow milk, 3 times more iron than spinach, 3 times the amount of potassium compared to bananas, and twice more proteins than yogurt. Did you know that moringa seeds are used to purify water? That makes moringa a miraculous plant used in many parts of the world. Among its benefits in folk medicine, we can cite improves circulation and immune system, improves digestion and balances metabolism, regulates blood pressure and hormone levels, prevents diabetes and hinders cell aging, facilitates sleep and has aphrodisiac powers. How incredible are these benefits? In addition to all of that, moringa is highly anti-inflammatory. And if all these things weren't enough, moringa has a pleasant flavor, and both its leaves and flowers can be eaten raw or cooked. Why don't we learn how to use all the different parts of a moringa? The flowers are rich in carbs and have a nice taste. The leaves can be used in teas or juices and are used as fertilizers and fungicides in farming. The fruit looks like string beans and can be cooked with a pinch of salt. The flavor is similar to beans. From the seeds, we can extract oil that is amazing for salads, not to mention that moringa fruits and seeds can purify water. Since nothing is wasted in this plant, some people claim that moringa is a valuable plant that could end world hunger. Oh, and if that wasn't enough for you, you can find moringa powder online or in natural health stores. The powder can be used in juices, extracts, infusions, or as a supplement, following your doctor's advice. Today you will learn how to make a moringa tea. You will need 1 tablespoon of the herb and 7 ounces of hot water. Let it infuse for 3 minutes, then drink, preferably without sweetening. Easy, isn't it? Get all these benefits of moringa, but remember that its excessive use can hinder vitamin absorption. People who suffer from kidney failure should not drink this tea, since they may struggle with absorbing the calcium from the moringa.